Hi, welcome to another new video. I hope you guys are doing really well, and in this video I'm going to talk about Shopify store design with artificial intelligence. So it will be a step-by-step tutorial for you guys. So without any further ado, let's dive into the main topic. So as you can see, we already set up an Shopify store, and this is our online store. As you can see it, the front end design over that place. We have some product over here. So we already created a design and I did it manually, but right now I just want to take help from artificial intelligence. So that's the reason I'm going to click over here and click on wall store. Once I click over here, there I will get option to create a new store. That's the reason I'm just click over here, create a new store, and it will give me option to create a new store over that place. Skip, I will decide later. And here they are asking for setup. Where would you like to sell an online store? Then click on next. Is this shop for new or existing business? New business. Let's click on next. And then what do you plan to sell? I will sell product. I will buy or make myself. Then I will click on design. And now you can see eventually this our website has been set. So how we can take help from artificial intelligence? So as for you saw that I did it manually. I just give the prompt and they make this one. So now the main step will be held on here. So here you can see when I click on online store, they will have the couple of options called preference, page and themes. So I will click on themes. Once I click over here, then you will get this kind of an interface on your desktop. Here you just can see that our theme name is Dawn. Then we have theme library and try out new themes, work on seasonal versions or test changes to your current theme. So here is the main section. It's called design your store in a second. Describe your business to create unique themes with personalized content. Here we have popular themes, but if you want to create your new theme by your own, then you can use this one. Like it take help from AI. So let's go and search a theme that will be portfolio themes for a content creator. As you can see, this is my prompt and I'm going to click on generate themes, and now eventually you can see it will take a while to loading, so we need to be wait a while. Once the design creation has been done, then you will get a design. Here you can see we get our theme over that place, and now you can see this is the design over that place. And if I click on view theme, so you can see this is our theme, and this is created for content creator only. One by one you can check all the theme over that place, and you can select your ones from that place. I'm going to select this one. Let's click on try theme, and it's totally made by artificial intelligence, so you need to be remember it. Once I click on the Canon theme, then it will here install. You can see this is the current theme, and let's click on preview, and eventually this is our previous one, and now you can see this is our new version of our website. So here all the thing has been setting up that place. So now you can see how you can use the AI with Shopify. The process is really simple. I hope you understand how it works, and it is really easy. Similarly, let's go and create a new theme that will be website development theme, or we are going to let's make example like we are going to sell our WordPress or website theme. That's why we need an e-commerce store. So here we are going to describe we are going to sell website themes theme, so I need a template. Let's click on generate themes, and again it will take a while, and then eventually you will get the result over this place. So we need to be wait a while. So eventually you can see this theme has been generated over that place. So this way you can create your own theme by using artificial intelligence. Okay, now the step will be begin from that place will be how we can edit this theme. So the process is literally similar to other theme. Like you just need to be click on customize, or you can click customize theme from that place. Once you click over here, now you are allowed to change your header, your announcement bar, your image, or you can add blogs, whatever you want. So let's go and make our header more organized. So I'm going to change it, the logo. So theme setting, and once I click over here, now you can see I can change the theme logo. So I'm going to click over here and I will open a new window, and I have the premium Canva plan, so I will create a Canva. So here I will similarly use the AI. So here I am going through this panel and I will search logo for website. Just hit the enter button, and here you can see we have some logos over here. So I'm going to select this one, like click on customize this template, and now it will take a while to generate. Now here eventually we have couple of options, and in the left corner you will see the magic media option. Here I'm going to select the name, give me a logo for content creator, and select or generate image, and it will take a time to generate it again. And you can see our image has been generated over that place, and this is our logo. I'm going to paste it over that place. And here if you want to remove this background, you can remove it. I will make it like this way. As you can see, I did it. I will change the border radius, also corner rounding, and now I am going to download it, and I will make sure it will be a transparent. So here, and I will select this one. So here you can see that download has been done. So I will come back to here and I will select logo, and I will click on upload, and I am going to upload it. Now eventually it has been uploaded here. So you can see how easy the process was, and click on done. And here you can see our image has been uploaded. If you want to reduce the width, you are allowed to do it. I reduce it, and eventually you can change it all the thing or element from that place one by one. It's totally up to you. Then you can add fav icon, you can change the color, you can change the color template. So it's now you have all authority to do whatever you want to do with your website and how you want to organize it. So I hope this video was helpful for you, and you know how you can use artificial intelligence to design your WordPress website or your Shopify website. So I hope this video was helpful and knowledgeable for you. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day. I will catch you in the next video.